Welcome to Cast and Crew, where we make it easier than ever for you to submit new project requests digitally and start utilizing our top-notch payroll services. In this short video, we'll show you how to easily submit a new project request and provide some helpful tips and tricks to speed up the process. Let's get started. If you're a new Cast and Crew client, you'll receive a welcome email that contains a link to create a new Okta account. Use these credentials to sign in to My Cast and Crew to access the project onboarding form. For existing clients with My Cast and Crew access, an email will guide you to log in and access the project onboarding form to submit a new project request. If you are unable to access the link in the email due to security filters, locate the token code in the email footer. Copy it and click the portal link. Click the link on the left side. Input your email address and paste the token code. Click Get Started to initiate the Okta registration process. Upon accessing the Project Onboarding tab, you'll be welcomed by your dashboard. This is where you'll find all the projects you've created or have been added as a collaborator. To quickly locate specific projects, utilize the search bar to search by project name, production company, services and products, or even status. You can also click the arrows on each column header to sort by name or date. From the dashboard, you can take various actions on projects that have already been created. Let's dive into them. If there are multiple people that need to work together on a project request form, you can add collaborators to help you complete it. Keep in mind that collaborators will need to have an account in order to be added. You can clone an existing project request form to copy over its information to a new form. Just provide a unique project name. You can still modify the information as needed before submitting the project request. To add extra files to a form, simply click Upload Documents. If you no longer need a form on your dashboard and want to keep your list organized, you can delete the project. Keep in mind that this can only be done for projects that have a pending or template status. Before you begin filling out the project request form, we recommend having the following documents handy: direct debit, certificate of insurance, and if you'll be utilizing PSL Plus as one of your digital products, it's helpful to have your chart of accounts available. Additionally, if you will be paying union crew, please also provide the respective union contracts applicable for your project and crew if it is not already on file. To create a new project, simply click New Project. Here you'll find an intuitive interface designed to make your project submission process smooth and hassle-free. If you have questions about specific fields or need additional information, refer to the client knowledge base on the right side or navigate to the Detailed Help Center article. Wherever you see a tooltip icon, click it to access more information. If you have specific notes for the setup team, or if you need to upload documents specific to your project request, you can use the Additional Notes and Attachments functionality found at the end of each section. To accelerate your process creation, you can create a project template to use for future project requests with similar information. Toggle the Save As Template option and fill in all the fields. When you're ready to save, click Save Progress. If you've already submitted a project request form and you'd like to use its information for future projects, you can clone the project request form from the dashboard and save it as a template. Please note that templates cannot be submitted, and you'll be notified accordingly. There are a couple of ways to submit a project that is using a template. One way is by returning to the dashboard, cloning the template for the project, and working from the cloned project request. Alternatively, if you're already inside the project template, you can click Clone Project on the last page of the form to easily clone the template and create a project request. While working on the form, your progress will automatically be saved once you click the Next Section and Next Category buttons. You can also save your progress to return to it anytime for further editing. Once you've completed the form, simply click the Submit button and our advanced system takes care of the rest. On the dashboard, you'll notice the status change from pending to submitted. Once the request has been reviewed and approved by the Cast and Crew setup team, the status will reflect approved, and you'll receive an email confirmation once your project is in the payroll system. If you need to make changes, like attaching additional documents, modifying existing information, or adding new details after submitting the form, you can save your changes or submit a revision request. For simple changes on a single page, click the Save Changes button. For changes across multiple pages, click the Submit Revision Request button at the end of the form. Your revisions will be sent to our setup team, and you'll receive a success message and an email confirmation that will outline your revision request with the ticket number that you can reference. With Cast & Crew, you'll experience unparalleled customer support every step of the way. If you require further assistance, our dedicated team is always ready to help, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience.